Like I said in my previous video, if you see this same look on me, just means that I am filming both of these videos on the same night. And I just did this makeup tutorial. It should be on my channel. Should be up on my channel before this one. So, yeah. And that's just my Diva. Lord, I can't even see. This is just my Diva ring light that I had on my phone. See? Where is that? Oh, right here. Yeah. I just had that on my phone. But, that's all. I'm in my pajamas, comfortable as ever. But I wanted to film a updated room tour because my last one is not what my room looks like anymore. So here we go. Okay, so when you walk into my room, this is what you see. First off, look at that pal. Oh my gosh, those are like our heavy clothes. Oh, my cat's in the house. Okay. And first thing you see is my cat's bed, book bag, tennis rackets. Hey, hey, how you doing? And you see like my show jewelry. Sorry if he keeps me out. He likes to do that for my attention. And you see all my sunglasses, my favorite necklaces and chokers, headbands. And then you come to my storage bins. That's like all my pajamas and like skirts and colorful pants. And then I have like all my black pants and my my white and black like loose pants. These are like my blue jeans, my khaki jeans. Those color pants supposed to be up there with those ones. Oh wow. And in this drawer, I have like all my extra stuff like my chargers, extra makeup wipes, little sprays. Yeah, like that type of stuff. Books and that type of stuff. And then here is like all, it's a lot. All my skincare, all my, like, what? All my stuff, like, everything. I have so much stuff in here. Like, all kinds of, like, body care. Like, it doesn't even fit anymore. These are all my bras and underwears. And right here you have all my showcase lipsticks. Like, look. More NYX. This is from, like, a Wet n Wild. I don't know where this is from. I think it's something that somebody gave me, but yeah. Oh Jesus. This is the Queen collection. My dad knows. My purse. I'm gonna do what's in your purse video soon. I got these 3 plants on clearance at Walmart. Then there's me again, of course. Pajamas, comfortable, whatever. And then moving on to like my desk where my TV is, where my boyfriend plays his PlayStation at. His TV, his games. I don't really have a TV. I don't really like having TV in my room because I don't really watch TV. But of course I have photos of me. This is my family. That's me, my mom, my dad. My makeup brushes. I think I have some more somewhere else. Of course, me a photo of me and my boyfriend. E for my name. My name is Yolanda, but I go by Indy on my channel. Of course, like a huge photo of us. Oh, you can see me here. I got this big old picture frame from, I got this picture frame, that picture frame, that picture frame. That one I got them all from Burlington. Oh, see, like, they weren't even expensive. Like, this one was $5. Like, come on, this for $5? Are you serious? Like, that is, amazing. The pictures, I printed them off from Walgreens. Like, I think this was like $10, like for the picture poster, whatever. And you got like the little pull-out desk. It's just like his games and stuff. Then under there is my cat's litter box. Yes, my cat's litter box is in my room. I don't really mind it. He's not really in the house often. I have a fake succulent, my fan. This little thing, I don't even know what it is. I just liked it. It's a candle holder. See, this was $5 as well from Burlington. A BB candle I got from Burlington. I love candles. Another fake little green body mirror. Look at me all comfortable in my PJs. My boyfriend's Uggs, some tees. Let me see if I can open the closet. Oh, Jesus. A hot mess. Those are his hats and his pants, my Uggs, his clothes, my clothes, dirty laundry, his shoes. Then you have my shoes. Not even all of my shoes. And these are like all of our coats. I'm still trying to figure out to put all of our coats, but we're moving soon, so haven't really been carrying that much lately. And this is my bed. I'm looking for some white pillowcases because I don't like just having the pillows out, but I don't really care. But I want something to go over my bed, but like I said, I'm about to move soon, so I really don't care. But this is what my room looks like. I got the BB pillow from Burlington. I got the pillows, those fur pillows from Burlington. I got this from Burlington. I got this rug from Burlington. I kind of went all out at Burlington. A little nightstand. I got this glass lamp from Burlington. This is his old phone, like his old phone, his wallet. And this plant, not this plant, this fake flowers from Burlington as well. I got this from Burlington too. And this is another photo of us. There's my light. And this is pretty much my room. Now, this is updated, but I'm probably going to be doing a updated room tour because, like I said, we are moving soon. So, yes. But let me know what y'all think about my new room. Comment some places that y'all have got y'all room stuff from. What is the theme of y'all room? As y'all can see, my room is black, white, and BB. That's my theme. So, let me know in the comments down below how your room is and what your theme is, and thanks for watching.